Dear students, here are some facts related to the lightning that we have seen. Number one is lightning, also known as electric discharge. Yes, I am actually using electric discharge word a lot of time when we have discussed lightning thing. So electric discharge is nothing but the discharge of the heavily accumulated charged particles inside the cloud towards the opposite charged particles, and that discharging, that means flushing out towards the negative or the another opposite charged particle, so that they get fused towards itself and get neutral, and tremendous amount of heat will release, and that also known as lightning. Fine. So the second one is air is normally a bad conductor of electricity. Yes, you know that during lightning we see the surface between the medium between the cloud and the city. When we see the lightning is the air only, and air is not a conductor, good conductor of a lightning, or we can say electricity. So how does it actually making the lightning come towards the surface? This is because heavy charged particles present inside the cloud and they cannot hold it up to, so that makes the air to conduct that electricity. Okay, see the power of electric charged particles that make the air conductor also. And because during rain some little amount of water particles that are present in the surrounding, that helps us to conduct, and not a pure water particle, that are actually some kind of ions that flourish due to the friction of air and the water also. Okay, so the charge is present everywhere during rain. Okay, so be secure, be fine during rain time. Fine. So the third point is lightning also enables ozone to be formed from the oxygen. Fine. This is also very good point, students, because you know lots of heat happens, lots of heat like released during this lightning time. Fine. So the oxygen that is present in our surrounding get attached with this. Okay, so oxygen that is present get heat up and can be split into oxygen and oxygen part. That oxygen atom is not actually in a stable condition. This is not a stable. They are unstable. Okay, unstable condition hai. Fine. So they want itself to stable again. So another oxygen particle that is present, they will get attached to it very quickly, so that they get stable. Fine. So now O2 plus O is actually become O3, that is ozone. So this is how during the lightning time we see that ozone formation is also happening, because oxygen can break up due to the heat that is present inside the lightning. Okay, so the fourth point is heat and light released during lightning enables nitrogen of air to combine with oxygen to form oxides of nitrogen. The same thing also happens because nitrogen, a lot of nitrogen, that is 78% of nitrogen is present inside the air. So that actually combined with the oxygen that is present, that gives us nitrogen oxide. Okay, so that is very good for the plant for the proper growth, and that mix up with the water and go up to the roots of the plants, and that roots of the plants will again due to the osmosis process get inside, and that makes the growth of the plant very good. And you people might know that nitrogen is very essential for us too, because the leguminous plants that is taking this nitrogen in the form of nitrogen oxide or any other nitrous form is actually taken up by them and making it a full of protein. Fine. Protein change can only be made by nitrogen only. Fine. And if we are taking them like pulses, grams, all these, so indirectly we are actually taking nitrogen only. So here see, lightning helps us a lot in all these processes.